In next 5 minutes, I will show you a complete life cycle of a butterfly pea flower plant. Let's see how to grow butterfly pea from seed, how to germinate blue pea seeds, and how to care and grow blue pea from seed to harvest. Let's begin from day 1 where I prepared the seeds for germination. If you want to grow blue pea, you have to collect blue pea seed. On other hand, if you are using purchased seed, then the process will be same. Just take seed and wash them properly. For germinating those seed, at first you have to wait them for at least 10 hours. Within this time, those seeds get perfectly moisturized and they will prepare for sprouting. This is the footage after 10 hours. In this time, you have to put those seeds into a paper towel or into a cotton cloth. Just wet a simple cotton cloth and put those seeds in there. After you set up those seeds, just fold the cloth and put it in an airproof jar. Within next 3 or 4 days, your seed will start sprouting. Let's see what the situation after day 3. You can see only 2 each of the seeds get germinated. Here we use 5 seeds. In this period of time, you have to plant all those germinated and ungerminated seeds into this planter. In this task, I able to grow 4 seedlings from those 5 seeds. Let's see how do I do that. For planting blue pea seed, we need a planter. But you have to ensure that this planter have some drainage hole. This plant don't like soggy soil. For this reason, you have to ensure a perfect drainage system. On the time of preparing soil, mix 70% of garden soil and 30% of organic compost. Mix those 2 items perfectly. Then fulfill the planter. After preparing the soil on this planter, you can plant all of your seeds in there. We plant all the germinated and ungerminated seeds in this planter. As a result, we get 4 seedlings from those 5 seeds. 2 each are germinated and 3 are not. Let's add some water and wait for next 5 days. Avoid sunlight for first 2 days. That's the footage after day 5, and you can see our seedlings is growing perfectly. In this stage of blue pea seedlings, full sunlight is very important. This is the result after day 10. Our seedlings is already prepared. In this stage, you can transplant them in separate pots, and you can also grow them in these types of 9 inches pot. This is the footage after day 30. In this stage, our plant is already start blooming. Within just 30 days, our plant is blooming about 4 to 5 flowers. If you want to grow a lots of flower in your blue pea plant, you need to follow some simple care. As a care, ensure a little bit of organic fertilization in interval of every 30 days. This will support your plant and keep them a good diet. On other hand, if you see there is some disease or insect in your plant, then spray some fungicide or pesticide. Try to spray fungicide or pesticide in interval 10 to 15 days. Only these 2 care is good enough for your plant, and they will provide a lots of flower. Thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about blue pea, just subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.